Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Until You Get. Today we are going to discuss the most important 30 ancient history question. This will be a part 5 video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to see my upcoming videos. Don't waste the time, let's get started. Kalinga War took place in the year, which is option number A, 261 BC. The coins of which of the following reveal their love for music? Mauryas, Nandas, Gupta or Chola? Which is option number C, Gupta. The first grammarian of the Sanskrit language was Kalpana, Maitri, Kalidasa or Panini? Which is option number D, Panini. Which one of the following Vedas contain the sacrificial formula? Samaveda, Rig Veda, Yajur Veda or Atharva Veda? Which is option number C, Yajur Veda. When did the best production of Gandhara sculpture appear? Mauryan period, Kushan period, Gupta period, Harsha period? Which is option number B, Kushan period. The Shisho temple at Mahabalipuram was built by Mahendra, Narasimhavarman, Nandivarman, Sandhivarman. Which is option number B, Narasimhavarman. The caves of Ajanta and Ellora belong to Jains, Buddhists, Hindus or Sikhs? Which is option number B, Buddhist. Subject matter which Manu Simriti deals with is related to economic, politics, law or art? Which is option number C, law. The Nalanda University was founded by Harshvardhana, Kumaragupta, Samudragupta or Chandragupta? Which is option number B, Kumaragupta. Who among the following propounded the theory of zero? Which is option number C, Aryabhatta. Where was the first Buddhist council was held? Vaishali, Rajkirka, Pataliputra or Kashmir? Which is option number B, Rajkirka. The script of Indus Valley civilization was Brahmi, Nagri, Bostrofidon, none of the following. The answer is Bostrofidon. The statue of bearded man has been founded at Harappa, Kalibangan, Surkoda, Mohenjo-daro. Which is option number D, Mohenjo-daro. The credit for preliminary excavation of Harappa goes to, which is option number D, Dairam Shaini. Which Indus Valley civilization site is currently in Rajasthan? Rangpur, Ragingari, Kalibangan or Banwali? Which is option number C, Kalibangan. Indus Valley civilization people worshipped which god? Indra, Varuna, Garuda or Shiva? Which is option number D, Shiva. The animal picturized on most seals of Indus Valley civilization period? Unicorn, lion, tiger or humped bull? Which is option number A, unicorn. Indus Valley civilization towns were divided into large dash-shaped boxes: semicircle, rectangular, circle or oval shape? And the answer is rectangular. Rock cut architecture in the content of Indus Valley civilization has been discovered at which is option number B, Dholavira. Indus Valley civilization seals were mostly made up of terracotta, ivories, sandstone, steatite. And the answer is steatite. Here will be a question of the day session. The two highest god in Vedic region. Give your answers in comment section. The answer will be discussed at the end of the session. Let's move on to the next question. Who hold the religious assembly at Prayag every year? Mahavira, Harshvardhana, Chandragupta or Mahapadmananda? The answer is Harshvardhana. Trace of canal built was by Indus Valley civilization people is found near, which is option number B, Shatugal. The site of Harappa located on the bank of which river? Which is option number A, Ravi. The Harappan civilization flourished during the age of Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, Chalcolithic age or Metal age? And the answer is option number B, Mesolithic age. Cereals grown by the people of Indus Valley civilization were? It was mainly deals with wheat, rice and millet. The Vedic economy was based on agriculture, fishing, hunting or cattle rearing. The Vedic economic is mainly based on agriculture. Which animal did first domesticated by the Indus Valley civilization? Which is option number D, goat or sheep. After partition, the largest number of Harappan towns were found in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Pakistan or Gujarat. And the answer is option number D, Gujarat. Ashoka was much influenced by which monk? Chandragupta, Vikramaditya, Abgupta or Mahavira? The answer is Upagupta. The Indus Valley civilization belongs to which age? Metal age, Bronze age, Paleolithic age or Mesolithic age? The answer is Bronze age. Yes, today question of the day session will be two highest god in Vedic region, Indra and Varuna. Indra is also called as rain god. And Varuna is also called as personified water. If you like this video, please kindly share to your friends and subscribe to my channel to watch my more interesting videos. Stay tuned for the further updates. Thank you for watching.